Hello friends, welcome to my Bamboo. Today we will discuss logical operators in C language. We have mainly three logical operators, that is AND, OR and NOT. What is AND operator? It compares both the operands and returns true if both the sides are non-zero or true. OR operator. It compares both the operands and returns true if one of the operand is non-zero or true. What is NOT operator? It reverses the result of any condition. We can say if our result will be non-zero or true, then it will return false, and vice versa. Let us take an example. First we will check the AND operator. If 1 and 0, then print true, else print false. We are checking that this one is non-zero and this one is non-zero. In AND operator we have if both the sides are non-zero, then it will return true, else it will return false. So let us run the project. Yes, it will return false. If both the sides are non-zero, I'll put non-zero means 10, then it will return true. Yes. So let us take an example of OR operator. If one of the operand will be non-zero, then it will return true. In this condition, it will return true. Let us check. Yes. If one of the two operands will be non-zero, means in this condition also, it will return true. So let us check here. Yes, it will return true. I am giving this as 0 and here both the sides are 0. So it will return false. Yes. So let us come to NOT operator. What it says? It says that if it is 0, then it will print true. If it is 1, then it will print false, because in this condition it checks if it is 0 or non-zero. Here we can say it is 0, then it will reverse the result, means it will make it as 1 or true condition and it will come to the true statement. Let us check. Yes. This is now true. If I give 1, means in computer language 1 means true. So it will return false. Yes. Mainly in programming language we use this logical operator in both comparing multiple conditions. Let us take an example. Here I am taking two inputs from the user. First number will be stored in the num1 address and second number will store in the num2 address. Okay, I'll check. If num1 is greater than num2, I'll check if this one is greater than num2 and num1 equal to num2. Here are my two conditions. If this one will satisfy or this one will satisfy, then it will evaluate the result and it will print. Let us compile the code. Yes. My first number will be 10 and second number will be 10. This condition will fail. So it will come to else part. I'll hit enter. Yes. It will print false. Here I am changing it with greater than equal to norm2. Here I am giving first number as 10 and second one is also 10. So this one is true and this one is also true. So it come to first true statement part. It comes here and it print true. This condition satisfied. This is also 1 and this is also 1. So it will print true. And let us take example of OR. This greater than equal and I'll check here. I'll give first number as 20, second number was 10. It is true. Because this condition satisfied, this value is 1 and this value is 0. This will not satisfy, and in my logic, if one of the operand will be non-zero, then it will return true. As you can see, it returns true. So I'll check again for a false statement. Okay, I will give two different numbers. Now 30 and 40, it will print true because one condition will satisfy. Yes, because this condition satisfies and I am printing true here. It come to this part and I'll give equal numbers 19 and 19. Okay. Now it false because both of the condition are 0 and it will return to false and come to else part. And let us count to not. I'll wrap it with the bracket and then give not. Here I run the code. First number is 20, second number is 10. Before hitting the enter, let us check. My first number is 20 and second number is 10. This condition will return true, means 1, and it will reverse the result. What will happen? If it is true, then it will return false. So I hit enter. Yes, return false. If my logic will be false, then it will return true. Let's see. Yes, it returns true. So hope you people understood. The next topic will be on bitwise operator, and stay tuned and thank you.